Wooden wall decor ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we explore a variety of creative and stylish wooden wall decor ideas that will add a touch of rustic charm and elegance to your home. From DIY projects to unique artisan pieces, we've curated a collection of inspiring designs to suit every taste and budget. Featured wooden wall decor ideas. Rustic wood plank shelves. Learn how to create functional and decorative shelves using reclaimed wood planks. Perfect for displaying your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. Handcrafted wooden wall art. Discover the beauty of intricately carved wooden wall art pieces that can transform any space into a visual masterpiece. Explore different designs and techniques to add a personalized touch to your home. Wooden wall planters. Bring nature indoors with these charming wooden wall planters. We'll show you creative ways to incorporate greenery into your decor, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your living area. DIY wood mosaic accent wall. Unleash your creativity by designing a stunning wood mosaic accent wall. Follow our step-by-step guide to create a unique focal point in your room using various wood tones and textures. Wooden clocks and mirrors. Upgrade your home decor with elegant wooden clocks and mirrors. We'll showcase a variety of designs, from minimalist to ornate, that can enhance the style quotient of your living space. Reclaimed wood art installation. Explore the beauty of reclaimed wood and learn how to repurpose it into a captivating art installation. Discover eco-friendly ways to decorate your walls while embracing the rustic charm of weathered wood. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or simply looking for inspiration to revamp your home, our wooden wall decor ideas video has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative home decor tips and tutorials. Let's embrace the warmth and natural beauty of wood together. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting home decor ideas and DIY projects. Until next time, happy decorating!